we're solving problem 13 from the 2019 F equals MA exam B. A water hose is at ground level against the base of a large wall. By aiming the hose at some angle and squirting water at a speed v, one wets a region on the wall as shown below. If the speed of the water is doubled, what is the new region that can be wetted? Ignore the effect of water splashing beyond the point of contact. So these shaded regions all represent where the new region can be wetted if the speed of the water is doubled. So let's just draw a quick diagram. We can say this is the hose in proportion to the ground. This forms an angle theta, and the water goes out at a speed v. We want to find how much of the region it covers when the water comes out at 2v. So this is the area it covers when the water goes at speed v, and we know that in projectile motion range equations and dimensional analysis, we know that h and r are proportional to a change in v squared. So if v were to double, the height and the width would quadruple, as 2 squared is 4. Therefore, our answer for this problem is answer choice D.